YouTube, what's happening? What it is? What it do, man? This is your boy, Sneakerhead Money Man, man. Back at you, back like I never left. Back with another unboxing review, all that good stuff, man. Hope every last one of y'all having a wonderful day like your boy is. And we'll continue to, man. Long as God let me wake up, breathe, see another beautiful day, man. It is a blessing, no matter what else comes in front of it. Now that your boy got that out the Wednesday, you already seen what we looking at, what we reviewing. So without further ado, let's get it, man. Box came in a few days ago. Alright, so one thing about StockX, and I ain't gonna take too long, I'm gonna open up the box and all that. The box stink like a mug for one. I already undid it. But the one thing about StockX that I dislike, that I really dislike is, bro, it takes forever for you to get the shoe that you want. You know what I'm saying? That's the one thing that I really just don't care for, man. Box, stank ass box. Came with a little yoin protection. You did. So box came ripped up. Look at this box, man. Box came a little ripped up. I ain't complaining because it's a box, man. I ain't one of them guys that be like that, complaining about no box. Then the labeling, it's that new label that they use on it. Hopefully the camera picked that up. Other than that, man, let's get to it, man. Fresh about the biz is none other than the Paris Saint-Germain, aka Bordeaux 6 thing, man. Do you smell me? Good. Ooh, look at these guys. Do you understand me? You did, man. This right here, man, I don't really get too excited about a lot of shoes, man, because they shoes, man, I like them. And then you wear them, then you be like, dang, man. You know what I'm saying? Another shoe in the collection. You did. But you got a good look. StockX hang tag. You did. This is, of course, my second StockX pickup for you guys. I've sold plenty items to StockX, but only bought 2. And I got the chance to review both of them with you. Everything else that came with this one, little yoin sticker in that guy. StockX. I know if you had your info somewhere on that guy. But beside my info, you see it, what I paid for them. Man, I'm slick, man, because you can actually get them even a little cheaper than what I paid, which was $181 before taxes and fees. And that's all that came with that guy. Now, when we jump into the grits, what we really came to look at, man, these things right here are clean, man. These is dope, in my opinion. These are definitely some drip. You did. Paris Saint-Germain on that back end, you smell me. Now, on my pair, on that tongue, you got a little bit of that, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit of that red that seep through it. On my tongue, of course, Jumpman is in red. Pacifier, lace lock, whatever you want to call that guy, is in red. Paris on one side, 75 on the other side, which is, from my understanding, what everything in Paris started with. I think zip code or something like that, 75 something, 75 whatever. You did, but that ain't what we here for. We here to talk about these shoes, man. So what we got on these, this, to me, the way it moves, it moves like it's leather. So, I mean, it moves like it's suede. It's suede on that guy, you understand me. Hints of that red do seep behind those perforated holes throughout that guy. All gray anthracite, whatever you want to call that, midsole. Outsole is in a similar smoke gray. Smoke on that guy, you smell me? And it just give you that Bordeaux 7, like it give you that kind of like vibe with these guys. These are definitely fine, in my opinion, man. Sleep on them if you want. This is definitely, I'm glad I got this pickup, man. I don't have no complaint. In the back of that tongue, You do see a little bit of that red. It does seep throughout that guy. But these is dope, man. Drop a comment down below. Let your boy know if you like these, went after them. Of course, they went on sale because you ain't even got to pay the $225 on Nike or whatever. You can actually go StockX, get them things cheaper. You smell me? But I like them, man. I feel like it's a dope shoe. Definitely gonna do it on feet for y'all. You got to know that. Be looking up for that in the next 1 or 2 videos, man. These on feet. Cause I'm really actually ready to wear these. Most time when you got a shoe with like a dark outsole like these, man. Well, my preference, I'll wear them a lot faster than an all white shoe. White shoe, I like to keep a lot cleaner, you know what I'm saying? I want to be very gentle with them guys. You smell me? But with that dark, man, you just wear that thing, go out the door. Most of y'all know I don't even like white midsole and outsole on shoes. I hate that. I probably won't get a lot of shoes just because of that. But, you know, me rambling, talking, you know what I'm saying? Just, god dang, all that talking, boy, I know your mouth hurt. That's what I always tell my homeboy, he used to always tell me. But, PSG Saint Germain on that back end, like I said. Jumpman red, like I said. StockX verified, authentic, tag. Which, of course, people can go get these from wherever. Man, shit, you get anything in the world now. But before I let y'all go, man, new to this channel, man, first time watching, been watching for a second, man, go ahead and sub to that channel for your boy. I would appreciate it if you do, man. Your boy is trying to run up that goal of 1,000 subscribers. You did, man. Help your boy get to that goal, man. I just been bringing out video after video. Also, man, let me know what y'all want to see. What's different on the channel. I know I've been getting a lot of good feedback. They like the new setup. They like the direction I'm going, man. I appreciate that, man. I do that for y'all for real, for real, for real. You smell me? But real quick though, I do want to show y'all or kind of give y'all, this ain't really a comparison video, but it's just trying to like to really see what 6 is hotter. So of course, that box. Anybody can tell me what they mean? Any of my Foot Locker people, MSC, it look like it probably miscount. But if y'all remember that pickup vlog, it was on my box. I was like, what the heck is that? I had no idea. But still from Foot Locker, like I had got them guys. Y'all ain't seen that video. I may put it in the back real quick so y'all can remember that one. Also, I may link it down below if you want to see these as well. But the infrared 6, guys, do you understand me? You dig? Perforated hose as well. Got that 3M behind those, guys. Looking at them side by side. They won't make it the edge just because they want lace like Mike playing in that shoe right now. But besides that, man, both dope, crazy. I had to add these were OG, and they got that Nike on that back end on them guys. Also, ice tray the game on them guys. Clean shoe as well, man. Leave y'all thoughts, comments, opinions below. Which one is a better set? 6. Which one is the better Jordan 6? Let your boy know something, man. Do you like these? Do you like these? Do you feel like if you got one, you ain't gotta have the other? Do you feel like you missing one without the other? Let your boy know something, man. But did want to give y'all a quick look at these, man. I ain't even did it on feet for these. Look, these things ain't even been out the box since I grabbed these guys. Well, I take that back. It's something on these guys. I must have tried them on in the his out. Oh yeah, when I put the laces on. But ice tray, still all iced out. Bottom on these guys. Forgot I did try them on when I had unlaced them. Just see how they was. But ice tray on that outsole on these guys. Like I said, slightly different from the PSG Saint Germain. Still a mostly predominantly black and red shoe. Other than that, man, you rock with your boy, man. Drop a like. Let your boy know something, man. I appreciate everybody watching my videos, man. For real, for real. Y'all took that time out y'all day to rock with me. That's something y'all ain't got to do. But you know your boy definitely appreciative of that. You smell me? Other than that, man, I gave y'all a quick look of the infrared. Of course, I gave y'all a look of the Paris Saint Germain 6, man. If y'all want to see a comparison video on feats of both, on feet battle, let your boy know something. Man, sky's the limit for your boy, man. I'm just trying to run up that goal, man, so I can start doing some of the things I like to do, like giveaways, stuff like that, man. If y'all don't know, man, for y'all that really mess with me away from YouTube and know that just a piece of what y'all see of me, man, y'all know I'm a very giving person, man. I would love to do giveaways and stuff like that. But of course, I got to get to a certain point where I can give out these things. You understand me? Other than that, man, I'm not going to hold y'all no more. Like I said, appreciate every last one of y'all rocking with your boy as we review these Paris Saint Germain Retro 6. Like I told you, man, if you ain't dropped a like, comment, or subscribe, man, do those for your boy, man. Genuine dude, doing what he love, man. Appreciate y'all, man. And like your boy. Who that be? Oh, that me. Like your boy, Sneakerhead, Money Mitch. Always tell you, man, at the end of the day, man, make sure every last one of y'all always like what you rock, man. And rock what you like, man. That mean your boy screaming, gang, gang, man. I'm out.
You've never seen Rocky.
Say money ain't gonna make it. That nigga ain't got no